We just got our hands on two new phones, the Samsung Galaxy A50s and the Galaxy A30s. They're pretty much upgraded versions of similar phones, or actually the same phones that were launched earlier this year. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel where we take awesome out of the box. My name is Leia, and this is our first impressions of the Samsung Galaxy A50s and Galaxy A30s. Guys, take note that this is not a full review. We need more time for that, but we do want to share our first thoughts and initial impressions. So here it is. Actually, before we get to that, here's a quick reminder to subscribe to the channel because we are giving away a Samsung Galaxy A50. The mechanics are in the description box below. Do check it out and join if you haven't yet. Okay, so back to the new phones. The A30s is 12,990 pesos and the A50s is 18,990 pesos. They look very similar to each other. Both are really beautiful. I mean, I can see even my most fashionable friends loving the design. They come in three colors: Prism Crush Black, Prism Crush White, and my personal favorite, Prism Crush Green. It has this rainbow effect when hit by light, and the subtle cuts give it an extra dose of flair. They also have the same 4000 mAh battery with a 15-watt fast charging feature. They both also have an in-display fingerprint scanner, dual SIM slots, so why is the A50s more expensive? To begin with, it has more RAM and more storage. The A50s has 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage that's expandable up to 512 gigs via microSD. The A30s, on the other hand, has 4 gigabytes of RAM and 64 gigabytes of storage. Also, the A50s has a more powerful chipset, the Exynos 9611 versus the Exynos 7904 used in the A30s. Both run on Android 9 Pie with One UI. While both phones have a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display, the one on the A50s is Full HD+, while the one on the A30s is only HD. Still, the fact that it's Super AMOLED means that you'll enjoy watching videos or going through your Instagram feed because the colors will be vibrant, they'll be punchy, and generally the display is something that I've come to appreciate in many Samsung devices. Now let's move on to the cameras. The A30s has a triple rear camera setup. The main one is at 25 megapixels with an aperture of f1.7. Then you get an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle shooter with an aperture of f2.4 and a 5 megapixel live focus camera, or a depth camera, with an aperture of f2.2. The selfie shooter is at 16 megapixels with an aperture of f2.0. The Samsung Galaxy A50s has a similar set of shooters, except that the main one is at 48 megapixels with an aperture of f2.0 and the front camera is at 32 megapixels with an aperture of f2.0 as well. We don't have photos to show you yet because we didn't have a lot of time during the event, but we do have the Samsung Galaxy A50s right here. So give us some time, we'll test it out, we'll have the gaming review and the pros and cons video up as soon as we can, and who knows, we might even give it away, yeah? As I mentioned earlier, the Samsung Galaxy A50s is 18,990 pesos, but if you pre-order from September 13 to September 27, you get a free Galaxy Fit like this one. So what do you guys think of the Samsung Galaxy A50s and the Galaxy A30s? Is it something that you would buy, something that you would use, or would you rather invest in another smartphone brand at this price point? So let me know in the comment section. Actually, that's it for this video. If you like it, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, follow us on Facebook and on Instagram. My name is Leia. Bye!